In this video, we'll take a look at two more artwork effects from the Substance 3D Asset Store: the Stick Metallic print and the Puff Glitter print. Let's start by downloading these effects. In VStitcher, go to the Context menu and click on the Artwork Materials properties. Make sure that the material mode is on Substance. Open the effects list and import the SBSAR files that were just downloaded. Let's start with the Stick Metallic print effect. As you can see, the artwork is displayed as text since it uses a default Substance template, which is text. Since the artwork we're using is a PNG file with alpha, let's switch the input to color input with alpha. We can now see the shape of the artwork. To show the artwork's colors, let's go to the Context menu, change the color selection from Uniform to Custom Color so we can see how the effect should be applied onto the artwork. The SBSAR file we imported is a parametric file that allows us to edit different parameters. For example, the roughness, the fold intensity, and the fold density. Great! Now let's import the Puff Glitter print effect that we downloaded from the Substance 3D Asset Store. As before, we need to switch the mask input from text to custom input, and the color selection from uniform to custom. As we can see the artwork processed with the effect. We can see that there are more parameters that can be edited for this effect so that it best fits our design intent. For example, the glitter roughness, the glitter metallic, the shape of the glitter size, rotation, and variation. In this video, we looked at how to utilize artwork effects from the Substance 3D Asset Store in VStitcher to add detail and realism to our garments. To learn more, visit our Help Center, help.browseware.com.